Hey everybody, welcome back to Fun and Tim's Garden. We're finally ready to get our gardens ready to put the plants in the ground. Yay, it's about time. So, you remember last fall, we covered our gardens with leaves? Just let that compost work its way into the soil. We're gonna rake off the leaves first. Then, I went to our local county recycling center. They have a bunch of compost for free. Simple donation, take as much as you need. I left some money, picked up 3 buckets worth. So we're gonna mix that into the dirt. Now the old rule of thumb is half dirt, half compost, 50-50 mixture. That's what we're gonna shoot for today. You'll notice in the picture here, I bought some compost mixed with manure. That's gonna be good stuff, but I'm a little hesitant to use it because if you over fertilize, your tomatoes will grow big and strong, but they won't flower. If they don't flower, they don't bear fruit. So I want to keep it as simple as possible. A little bit of Miracle-Gro will come in handy down the road, but again, at a minimum. The rule on that is, again, you don't want to over fertilize. So we're going to rake off the leaves. We're going to mix in our dirt and the non-manured compost, the stuff we bought from the county. Stir it up really good and just get it ready to put the plants in the ground. That's pretty much it. Looking forward to it. We'll put the plants in the ground. We're shooting for next weekend. We'll see what happens. Again, it's Minnesota. The weather's crazy, but they say it's going to be 70 degrees plus for the coming week. I can't wait. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll be back.